Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav. I'm here to give a presentation on security tools. I want to bring everybody's focus on why implementing a security tool is important for any organization. So let's see why the security is needed. It is important to have the security for our organization because it ensures that information is disclosed to and retrieved exclusively by the authorized individuals. It protects for serious legal liabilities. It's also important that it's not only the organization's information to be secured, it is important to have your employees and your business partners information to be secured, otherwise it can lead to costly litigations. Let's see from where these vulnerabilities can arise: through internet, wireless security, or malicious softwares like viruses, worms, and spyware. Let's see how anybody can access our machine and affect our system. So if somebody from the client machine, an unauthorized user, try to get into our system, he can get into by hacking it and then put some virus codes and damage our database, try to copy it, and then can cause a failure to a hardware or a software. Let's see now what type of controls are there which can be affected. Our system software and hardware can be affected, people can be affected, and the data security is always on the risk. To safeguard from all these vulnerabilities, we have different techniques to implement. Identification and authentication, to have the authenticated users to log in. We can implement encryption in our software programs. We can put firewalls and put some malware protections like some antiviruses on our system, and there are some design changes which can be implemented to secure our applications. Let's see one by one all the techniques through which we can safeguard our system. First one, we discussed about encryption, how we can encrypt our data. So basically we can use two different keys, one private and one public. The keys are mathematically related so that one key can encrypt and the other one can decrypt and make sure the authenticated user get into us. So as I just mentioned, this encryption is a public key encryption. It makes sure that the message is integrated, it gives an ability to be certain that the message being sent and arrives to the proper destination, and also there's a digital signature in it, so it makes sure that the person who has logged in is an authenticated person. Next thing we want to have is a firewall, and this is a hardware and a software which can control any unauthenticated user or any malicious network information which comes in will be stopped at the hardware level itself. And then we have intrusion detection system. It's a full-time monitoring tool which can place at the most vulnerable point where the company network, where it can stop anybody to get into our network, and also make sure that we have antivirus softwares which running and catching all the latest viruses which are being sent by any vulnerabilities. I hope everybody enjoyed this presentation and it helps to keep our organization secure. If you have any further queries, please let me know and we can further meet again. Thank you.